Alright, what's going down, YouTube family? If you've seen the title of the video, you know this one is going to be about the rebuild of the Monster Moto 80cc motor. And the reason why I chose to rebuild this motor is because, for one, I've had it for a long time, and honestly right now it's one of the last engines that I got before I start rebuilding and everything, because I sold most of my stuff from just it being winter and not using it and whatever. So this is one of the last ones I got, but I was like, before I was just like, get rid of it, why not try to do something with it? So I've built one of these probably about 2 or 3 years back, just like messing around with it, and it actually ran really good, never ever died on me. It had an issue with the coil. I didn't have this, so I didn't have a way to like shut the engine off, but other than that, that thing ran pretty good. No complaints. So I wanted to do another build out of it, and here we are with this. So I've just been having this one sitting around the backyard, just messing around, spray painted it, crap like that. It came off of a Monster Moto or Mega Moto frame, for that brand and all that stuff. So this is the original motor that comes on these or those, and it was a 80cc, like I was saying in the beginning. Has a little 15mm carburetor that goes on there, which I don't have, but I'm gonna get ready to order a performance one to where it has like the intake tube, and then it'll have the cable for the slide, and I don't have to worry about all this other little mechanisms and stuff down here, which these do work. Don't get me wrong, if you get the stock one, you can hook it up with the brackets that go up here, and they'll pull on the carburetor, and all that stuff will work for you. But yeah, this is gonna be it for right now. Just gonna get our tools out and everything like that. Look like we got a bunch of 8s, 10s, nothing too crazy, and then spark plug look like 5/8, whatever. So I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere else so y'all can watch the process go along, and we're gonna get to it. Bro, this shit smells terrible. It don't even look like oil no more. God damn. That's some old ass oil, boy. Right now. Break time. Don't know how much it takes on all that stuff. I will tell you guys, but it's never gonna be hot. Oh man, I guess it's gone. All right, so doing this can actually see where everything's at, and then get a good, kind of area of what's all gonna need to get rebought and cleaned up and whatnot. So I want to make it run, of course, but I want to make it at least run kind of good. You know what I'm saying? I've got what the internals are looking like. Little bitty small springs, man. Those look smaller than, damn. I think it goes some 18, maybe some 18-pound springs, at least, right? What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments. Oh God. Probably about where it needs to be. Yeah. Not too bad. But definitely gonna be doing some upgrades here on this thing in the future. Some of the small things I was saying earlier. There's a AGK Racing Parts. They make stuff for the 79cc, and then Go Power Sports has a few small parts that they do as well for it. So I'll just try to, piece together, small parts that I can. I'm not gonna go crazy and put some 22s or something on this, because I honestly don't think it'll be able to handle it. But I think instead of 18s would be good. And then see how that goes. Take the governor out, all that good stuff. Add the slide carb and the performance header. And I think we'll have ourselves a runner. But this is gonna be the engine that's just being built for right now. I did have plans on going to the Full Start Picnic and entering a bike in it for a cruiser, and this could possibly be the motor. If not, throw a 212 on there or something like that just for the time being. But this motor will be built regardless of that, whether it goes on that bike or not. But for right now, like I said, we're just building it. We're getting back into it. We're going to keep you guys informed. Stay along with the build series of this motor and everything, and I'll keep posting them. and keep you guys updated on it, man. I'm sorry, dude. It's so early in the morning right now. You can still hear birds chirping, guys out here picking up trash, all this other stuff. Like, golly. But I just want to get out here and get to work on this thing and show you guys a little bit about how the original motors on the Megamoto 80s looked. So here we go. We're going to go along with the rest of the build later. You guys stay easy. Have a blessed one. JK Rolling. I'm out.